Question, na total loss ang car ko. First car ko po at may sentimental value. Kukunin ba talaga ng insurance ang sasakyan once masettle na nila ang claims ko? Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, paki-double tap muna ang screen at follow kami para sa mga frequently asked questions about vehicle insurance. Para sa frequently asked question number 19, kukunin ba talaga ng mga insurance companies ang mga sasakyan na na-declare na as total loss? Ang sagot ay yes. Ganito kasi yan, after masettle ng insurance companies ang total loss claim mo, meaning nabayaran ka na nila, insurance companies have the right to take possession sa vehicle mo. Ito po ang principle of subrogation. It allows insurance companies to recover some of the expenses it has paid out by taking ownership of the damaged vehicle. Entitled po ang mga insurance companies to sell the damaged vehicle and recover the salvage value. Well, if gusto mo talaga makip ang vehicle mo dahil may sentimental value ito sa iyo o sa pamilya mo, you can still negotiate with the insurance company to buy your vehicle back for an agreed salvage value. That's it for today. If you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to ask or comment down below. And if you need vehicle insurance, just send us a message anytime. God bless po and have a nice day. Ano-ano po ba ang mga requirements needed if mag-file ng vehicle insurance claims? Pero bago ko sagutin ito, paki-double tap muna ang screen at i-follow kami para sa mga frequently asked questions about vehicle insurance. So ang mga requirements may slightly vary, depende po yan sa mga insurance companies. But bago mo i-compile ang mga requirements, just be sure na natawagan mo na kaagad at na-inform mo na ang insurance company sa nangyaring aksidente. Ito po ang mga basic requirements sa lahat ng vehicle insurance claims. Unang-una, photocopies of the latest OR and yung CR. Number 2, photocopies of the driver's license. Number 3, police report or traffic incident report or notarized driver's affidavit of accident. At syempre, number 4, pictures of the damage unit or pictures during the accident. At ito naman yung mga additional requirements in case may ma-involve na bodily injury or may mamatay. Number 1, original medical certificate, original official receipts and or hospital statement of account. Number 2, death certificate. Number 3, photocopies of the birth certificate and marriage contract para ma-prove na ikaw ay isa sa mga beneficiaries. And lastly, ito po ang mga additional documents needed in case makasira kayo ng ibang sasakyan or properties. Una, certificate of no claim galing sa insurance provider ng third-party property. At number 2, driver's sworn statement with regards to the accident. Isa din sa mga requirements ay ang repair estimate. Pero dito sa Perla Insurance, we have our own internal adjusters. Sila na po ang kukuha ng repair estimates sa mga accredited shops po namin or sa kasa. And that's it for today. If you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to ask or comment down below. And if you need vehicle insurance, just send us a message anytime. God bless and have a nice day.